What's up, everybody? My name is Hello. Welcome back to this channel. We're solving Codeforces problems in Python. Today, we're going to be doing problem 122a, which is called as lucky division. Okay, this is a very interesting problem because of, again, the input parameters and something to keep in mind while going through Codeforces problems and trying to design solutions. So let's go ahead and read through this problem and attempt to solve it. Okay, so Paytm loves lucky numbers. Everybody knows that lucky numbers are positive integers whose decimal representation contains only the lucky digits 4 and 7. For example, lucky numbers are 47, 744 because there's only 4 and 7 here. 515, 467 are not, because in 467's case 4 and 7 are though there, 6 is also there. So only 4 or only 7 or only both. That's what we call a lucky number. Now, Petya calls a number almost lucky if it could be evenly divided by some lucky number. Help him find out if the given number n is almost lucky. So, input, the single line contains an integer n, where n is in the number 1 to 1000. This is very important. We'll come back to this. Okay, the number that needs to be checked and print the output yes if it's an almost lucky number, else print no. Now, in general, when you are just starting out and you want to optimize solutions, you will try to gnaw at this and you'll try to understand how do I solve this in the most optimized way? How can I include math where I just take this number and then divide it by something and give the answer as yes or no? Or is there any system I can crack to normally solve this, right, or optimally solve this? Now, that won't always be the case because there is a huge subset of problems called as brute force. Brute force means checking through every single combination and looking at that answer and giving that back to the system. Now, this might be not optimal in all cases because in every single solution you can brute force an answer, but in most cases brute forces will give you the time limit exceeded error. But you need to brute force certain problems because of the way the problems are designed. This is one such problem, and especially when you're trying to solve for problem sets, you can see if a solution needs brute force or not by simply scrolling down, and you can see, looking at the problem tags, you can see something called as brute force. Okay, so one more thing to keep in mind is the input parameter. Now, we looked at something and we told that in 1 second 10 power 8 calculations can be made, almost, right? So whatever brute force that you're doing, you need to make sure that it doesn't exceed 10 power 8 calculations. Now, since we know that n is 1000, we can actually find out how many calculation in total it will take, even in the worst case, which will be when n is 1000. Let's go ahead and try to work all of this out. Now, first of all, something to keep in mind is when the lucky digits are 4 and 7, right? So for n, value is going to be 1 to 1000. So obviously, whatever number you're dividing this by, the lucky number will also be from 1 to 1000 only, or else you cannot divide. Let's say 4777 is a lucky number. We cannot divide 1000 by 4777. It's going to give 0 only, which means it's not divisible, right? So to keep in mind, whatever the lucky number we are dividing this number by, potentially it is going to be within the range of 1 to 1000. So let's try to construct some numbers here. I'm going to just scroll down a bit. We know that the value of n is going to be anywhere greater than 1, but n is going to be lesser than 1000. Sorry, I messed this up. N is going to be lesser than 1000, right? And it's going to be greater than 1. Yep, that looks better. Now, n is obviously going to be divided by some lucky number, right? So we know that lucky numbers are anything which has 4 and 7 in them. So let's try to list all the lucky numbers from 1 to 1000. Okay, so that's going to be 4, that's going to be 7, that's going to be 47, that's going to be 74, and then that's going to be what? 444 will be first, and then we have 447, and then you have 474, and then what else do you have? You have 744, if I'm not wrong, and then you have 774, and then you have 777. These are all the numbers you actually have from 1 to 1000, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have a total of 10 lucky numbers from 1 to 1000. So for each of these numbers from n, where n is 1 to 1000, we're going to be dividing this by all of these 10 numbers. Now, what is the worst case time complexity here? For n value from 1 to 1000. Let's say the value is 1000. Okay. For n from 1 to 1000, I am going to divide by all 10 of these numbers. I am still only doing 10 divisions to this number right here, right? So the number of calculations in this case I have to do is very limited only, which is why this is still an acceptable solution, because regardless, since we know the input parameters, I only need to divide this by a constant. Therefore, the worst case analysis also will come close to O of 1 only, where O of 1 is O of 10, which again is O of 1 only. So in this case, brute force is completely a viable solution, and we already know what constraints we need to brute force for as well. Now, if you do want to brute force this yourself, I highly recommend you to go and do it, but we're still going to be doing it to show you guys how a brute force solution will look like for this question. Right, I think we missed two more numbers here. So one is going to be 477, right? And then the other one is going to be 747, if I'm not wrong. 774 is that did we get that? So 747 is also something that we got. 774 is also something that we got. I think we should be good. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like in code. Okay, so let us go ahead and first maintain a set of lucky numbers. So let's start with 4 and 7, right? And what were the 2-digit numbers? 47 and 74. And then what were our 3-digit numbers? There were, let's start with 4, right? So 444, and then we do 447, and then 474, and then 744, right? And then what else is there? We do 777. And then obviously we do 777, and then 477, and then 747, and then 774. So total of 12 numbers are there, right? So where there's 2 4s and then 1 4, all of these combinations, I think we should be good. Most important thing in cases like this is to make sure that you have the numbers right. And trust me, I've made a lot of mistakes in places like this. So make sure that you guys take some extra time to jot down all of these numbers. Okay, I did something. Give me 1 second. This is number lucky division, right? Okay. So now I'm going to take n is equal to int of input. And then I'm going to do, let's set the answer initially to be no. Okay. I'm going to do for I in lucky numbers, and if I percentage n equal to 0, in that case, I'm going to change the answer to yes, because that means it's divisible. Then I'm going to go break the loop. You don't have to break it also, since you're only iterating through it 12 times, but still, let's go ahead and print the answer. Okay, you can see that test 2 failed. Expected answer is yes, and then no, sorry, this is going to be n percentage I. I am terribly sorry. As you can see, all 3 test cases have passed. I'm going to go back here and click the submit button and see what happens. Okay, so 122A, let's go ahead and paste, and as you can see, the solution has been accepted. I hope you're able to understand this question, this problem. I apologize because we couldn't get all of these numbers out initially while discussing the solution. The solution is still valid because we just didn't jot down all the cases here, and that's why it's very important to jot down all the cases before you attempt a brute force solution. So instead of 10, this is going to be 12. Apologies for that, but I hope this video did help you conceptualize what we're trying to understand here. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you guys have any alternate approaches as well, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and see you in another video. Until then, bye.